name is Aesop Rock, I hate cops, I'll make them stop. But the brain train won't ever drop. I'm like interlocking sectors with the vector that slides off a collision course. Your vision's the source. Of course it's the source 5 micer. MC Mom Striker that strikes like lightning out of the sky from hand to God. I'm a scan of our world. Swirl around your best vision of a promised land, abolishing the land. I'm Aesop Rizzle with a water pistol gleaming through the sky. It dribbles like the verbal venomous spittle. Y'all can't get it. You're eating kibbles and bits. Well, I'ma dribble toward this shit and spit directly through the iris. Acidic liquid that flips with a mystic technique. Just a yes, freak styles over a drum beat. Might sum up the best vision of a godly land and hand it to my left-hand man, the rep scans.
Alright, let's go according to plan. Yo, this is my man, his name is Aesop. Gaston is my name. I think we rhymed together a few years back on Nice Rain. I remember about 5 years since it changed. When I get on the mic, I get rhymes for the brain. Sometimes it's too deep.
Sometimes it creeps, sometimes it touch you in the night and won't let you sleep. It's like the beast from under the bed that roams out the belly. I never had a celly, couldn't afford it. Bored with walking toward this. You want some awkward shit, I walk with a stagger. MC's dream with a dagger. I'm like a dungeon dragon plunging into the bottom land with pants sagging. That's the beginning of the action. My land and faction was the beginning of an academy that started with the blasphemy. MC ran havoc on the style. That's just the ill rhyme faculty with skills that blast through the heavens. You wanna talk to 7P, my man Slug. You want a can of Rusto, you want a company that flows like El Producto. You want Cannibal Ox that rocks the death jookie sound effect. Breaking them like cookies, not a rookie. See scream sookie sookie.
That's what we do. We just sit around and freestyle. That's how you make music, basically.
Really? You don't write? You don't write a lot?
Oh, of course we write, but you know.
Yo, all I know is
yeah, man. I love it when people freestyle. I don't like it when people can only freestyle.
Right. So there's a difference, man. You gotta do both, man. It's both.
Yo, I don't like it when people can only make pancakes. The man breaks on top of beat breaks and earthquakes. Keep going until the earth shakes. Fuck it from the birth date all the way to the death date. I gotta check the weight up on the freeway with the he say and the she say. All I wanna do is be LL Cool J mixed up with a little bit of Prince. Ever since I was a kid, wanted to be Big Daddy Kane. Fuck it, had to rain. And when it came down, it was wet and fuck it. I ripped the set and get side of it as if I was a vet, but I'm not. Only got 15 years in the game, but here it's the same and fear is the name. Wait, with the atmos first, I gotta grab a mattress and burst, bust a nut. Yo, wait, I'm just tripping. I'm trying to get inside of the cut, and the beat's kinda mellow, kinda moody, kinda jazzy. And all I wanna do is find my real daddy, and eventually buy a motherfucking caddy, and then I'll be the Mac of the land. And damn, I have to take a stand and break the plan and shake the land. I'll be the motherfucking shaking your hand. Fuck it, I got a sweaty shirt on, but check it. I'm gonna find a Betty, get the flirt on. Yo, ow! Damn, nothing rhymes with ow, so I gotta get a cow. And fuck it, it's a sow, so I'm a milker. And smoke another motherfucking Camel filter through a hard pack. Yo, I got a lard stacked, fat in a fucking empty milk carton. Pardon my expression. But if you need the knowledge, then you need the lesson. And I'm guessing that ever since the first time you were stressing over bills, I would grab the microphone and give you what you need to fill up your head with what you gotta build up with what he said. Fuck it. Still what? Fuck! 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 Delancey Street! Delancey Street! Delancey Street!
Check it out. My style is original. Other cats have been cloned. I think this cat got fucking Tourette's syndrome. Yo, I make so much green it's scared of Hulk. Yo, check it out. I'm about to turn into a werewolf because it's the full moon, but I consume rappers in a minute. Yo, I'll talk about them all night, but their family's worse. I call their father a faggot and he hit me with his purse. I make jokes, but I'm a socialist rebel. I bring the battle down to put it to your reading level. So now I leave you disheveled when I start to inevitably kick multiples because it's so simple for me. See, the similes start flowing from the top of my mind. Yo, I never dropped time on none of my peeps, so I had to do 2 years, but I never lived in fear. I just stayed in my block and niggas got got knocked and they try to step to me. I'm like the Rockers, choke slam you through a motherfucking chair. I'm physically prepared. I dare you to come close to me. It's like God spoke to me one day and said freestyle for the people because we are not equal in the same sector. Yo, I be the protector of lost MCs hunted by the government that think they running shit. Yo, you wanna hear something raw? Mississippi ratified the 15th Amendment in 1984. And don't laugh, cause it's not a joke. The 15th Amendment guarantees black people the right to vote. So now my people in the ghetto feel like they being choked. And that's who I rhyme for. That's what I did it from the start. So when I start to spark, you can feel it in my heart. I wish I was back in '88 chilling in the park. Cause I would have been there every day, telling niggas they style was gay and throwing them off stage. Never ripping rhymes from a page, freestyling them. Meanwhile, other cats with they little written bit in composition, kicked into submission. Stronghold, nigga, we on a mission. I'm dissing everybody.
Face piece. Smack your niece. Take it back to 88. Well, if it was 86, I fucking step on your kicks. Now your ass against this wall, suicide throwing handballs. I got a can jar. My technology's too much for your string in 2 cups. You suck. You blew up, then I threw up. We got these missing posters glued up. I'm on a fast track for fucking speed bumps. School lunch you. Serving styrofoam forks and talk for talk. Forks for talk. Nobody wants you. When I finish this whole type is gonna wanna jump you. Confront you. Words that I'm spitting. Poison pen, any MC that contest becomes a victim. Either of lyricism or assault and battery. It doesn't matter. Each way comes easy to me. I'm not an MC. I said I'm a gynecologist touching these pussies MCs. Word up. They fucking freeze. I don't have my ice on my neck. I can't wear anything less than 32 degrees. I fucking melted. Aesop I said it back before dyslexics. Yo, rhyming is so simple. Look at my belly button, I got a stomach dimple. Rhyming over this bugged out instrumental. Word up, and I didn't graduate Temple University. I just walked right on the campus and bagged bitches. And went to lunchroom and robbed fucking hers for sandwiches. These PB Herman MCs always act like they had adventures. Right, come on LP, hit them with the fucking sentence.
Either, neither this style nor deleted. Kids step with a virginal alarm system. Diss them, EL-productive, born cold fission. Off the top of the dome, it's like first mission. Take them from the breath and break them down to the scholastic GED scholar. Top dollar, top billing, audio 2 nice chillin'. Gizmo and milk, audio 2 diamonds. Cut them on the back, motherfucker, the beat's gone, so please find it. Another one, rewind it. Even if the snare is behind it, the cadence stays on like 2 parallel lines and motherfuckers shit on it. Motherfucking clits get rubbed on it. EL-productive, snuff filmmaker, audio 2 breaker, off the top of the dome. The liquid motherfucking acid taker. Mushrooms in the megaplex is a bad thought. I might caught or catch 2 cigarette stashes or burns. In my left arm, take the little ashes of the last MC's urn. Put them on the fucking mantelpiece. Handle me, please. You're back on your knees again. It's so easy when I see him breathing. Bad, asthmatic. Motherfuckers bend like Craftmatic. I break them down simple. Motherfucker catch a dimple. EL-productive. I send a ripple through your little ocean, your little lake. I'm the monster. Don't swim in that raft, motherfucker. I might grab you. Your girlfriend got stuck too. EL-productive. Fuck you. When I'm rhyming with stronghold, I got a stronghold on most factions. Red dawn blinking. Motherfuckers are thinking, how can this cat come off the top of the dome without bleeding? Lyrics off the top of the dome, I might feed it like spirits on a mountain. Motherfuckers ain't mountain ghosts jumping around. They're just urbanite collective dwellers, sellers of mediocre bullshit, independent hip-hop. Will I bring spirit and drop? Motherfuckers gotta cop this Def Jux, indelible hybrid shit, stronghold, cornucopia. Motherfuckers, yo, I'm choking ya with breeze ever flowing and motherfucking stronghold going off the top of the dome rowing. You're rowing in concrete, I'm swimming in bitches like delete that, El-productive, seat that, sit it down, teach it. Motherfuckers aren't even reaching this. It's like I pass it to the mic, the left, the rest. My eardrum is popped and I don't have any breath.
All the way until death, I'll continue to take a step and make sure that I save my rep. I'm that cat that's sinking planes and shooting down boats, trying to make sure that they quote, fuck it till they seasick, walking up the cipher with an arm full of free shit, making sure that they free it. Wait, freedom is only sung by those that have it, but all I want to do is make sure that the rabbit bounces. The bunny is more than the money that I need. I don't need money, just want to fill my tummy. But fuck it, give me your marker and I'll leave my mark. If I say fuck it one more time, smack me in the mouth with a closed fist, and I'll keep going until I finally get noticed. Keep a focus, make sure that the movement's got more than music. It's all about the improvement and where you're trying to go with it, what you're trying to do with everything you got to do, kid. Put orange cones around my body, making sure that everybody sees where I sit instead of seeing where I gotta stand or where I gotta do the where. Fuck it, put a mic in my hand and I will be the man. I don't give a goddamn about who's the dopest or who's the wackest. Just as long as the atmos goes home with somebody on my mattress.
There you go.
That's how it goes.
Yo, quick.